Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Surfers Educational Series. So I already uploaded last December to February to March the 10 parts for learning Elliott wave theory for the learners, for the beginners. So a lot of people are asking doubts, a lot of questions regarding the Elliott waves in the messages, but I can't very well explaining the Elliott wave in the message. It's very tough part for me. So that is why I have already uploaded from my side the 10 parts only with Elliott wave corrections, impulsive waves and everything I did. And as I said, the one video I need to do for that top to bottom analysis, how I'm doing that. So in this video, I think this could continue for 3 parts. So how I am doing the analysis for all the currency pairs, but I'm not going to show that stocks here, because in that forex only I learned a lot of things as a complex corrections, everything. So I will more concentrated only in this forex currency pairs. So it could make a nearly 4 parts also for the top to bottom analysis. I didn't know, because each and every pair, if I explain that, it will took more than half an hour. So if I'm roughly, if I did for 2 pairs also, it will around 1 hour. So it will took, if it is 10 pairs means it will took 5 parts also. But I will keep updating that how many top to bottom analysis. You just wait for that and you can learn a lot of things from my side as a mentor. So a lot of students also coming to me to learn Elliott waves, but that is not the necessary one to contact me, because it's a waste of money, because you have to give more importance for your analysis and to making more money in this market. So only the hard work only pays you. Not if I am a mentor also, I can teach only the 2 hours, but you have to spend more time in the screen timings. Like you have to sit in front of the system for 10 to 12 hours. I did the same thing from the past 5 years, and now I'm a full-time trader for the past 5 years. So the full-time only pays me a lot. So like that, if you are a part-time, the concentration will diversify. So and you can't get that more accuracy in that part-time. So this is my advice. So before we get into that top to bottom analysis, this is my disclaimer. Read each line what I have written. So I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans, explaining here. So, and a lot of people's commenting in my educational series and personal messages also, you are doing wrong. Say I'm not going through all the negative comments, and I'm not going through the positive comments also. What I got from that experiences, that is why I have written. I will trading and traded with 100% technical only. What I learned from the books, video clips and some personal experiences. So I'm not going to compare to anybody, and not I'm going to go through the negative comments and the positive comments. So what you give, that is why I have now disable all my comments in my YouTubes. So let's go to that top to bottom analysis. So first, I already did all the top to bottom analysis. Now what I have to do is, I will just delete all the what I had get ready. So now this is the weekly chart. So you can go for monthly also, no issues in that. So for here, what we are seeing, and all the charts from that IDC. See, if you are in the trading view, you just go for the Euro USD, and this is the IDCs, because this got in 1970, from the analysis of 1972. There's a lot of descriptions here as well. A lot of trading, it's there, it's already did, and then we are getting more informations here, but not in the other. See, I'm not comparing anybody, but what we needed, it's there here. So from starting of 1970 also it's there. So first Euro USD. So what we are doing here, and how it looks here. So for me, the eye catching is, it looks like A. One second, I will yeah, it's I think we can go for red or blue. It will be too bright. Yeah, A, it's a B and C. So this is the three-way structure, and here also it's a three-way structure, and again here it's a three-way structure. Here everything, it's a three-way structure. So simply, see, I'm not going through the in depth because this is a monthly. If you need to look all those things, that will be too complicated for yourself. Just what we saw, just I draw a lines. That's it. If we are looking for the five-way structure, we need to draw the five-way structure. But here it is not looking like five-way structure. So this is, yeah, one second. I will again delete this. This is a one is A, B and C, right? So what we have to do is, this is a A. So I will again delete this. I will go for this as a 1, because how I am looking this as a, one second, I will delete this also, and we can go for this channel and clone this, place this, right? It's a roughly channel and it accepts this. So now we will get an idea. So A, B, C is a 1. So that means is a leading diagonal, it's a forming. So this is a wave 1. So we can make it as a Roman letter also. Wave 1. And this is wave 2. So here how I calculated means, this whole thing is an impulsive and this is in correction. After this we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is in that wedge formation, in that C wave. So this becomes again 5-way structure. So this is A, B and C. So here it's a 3. So now this A, B, C is a 4. And again A, B, C is a 5. So this is a one complete cycle in the monthly chart is completed. So that we have to mark it as a wave 1 or A, because we don't know whether it is making a 3-way structure or 5-way structure here. How long it may go, we can't know anything about it. So whether this is a 5-way structure is completed here as a leading diagonal. So for that, see, once again I will inform you, if it is a leading diagonal, as per the Elliott wave theory, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the whole thing becomes wave 1, and again there is a 3-way structure, and again one more 5-way structure. So this wave length is a bigger than this wave 3, and after that it will overlap the wave 1, and again you may get a 3-way structure, 5-way structure here. So if you keep this channel connecting in the wedge formation, this is called as a leading diagonal. See, leading diagonal formation is 5, 3, 5, 3, 5. But only in the ending diagonal, this kind of A, B, C is a 1, A, B, C is a 2, A, B, C is a 3, A, B, C is a 4, A, B, C is a 5. So sometimes, but as per my experiences, and I have already showed that my a book for that, it's often seeing lot of things like this kind of wave formation in the 3-way structure also. But this is not originally invented by Oren Pritchard, but this market, it's giving like this kind of 3-way structure also. Now it is accepted for the leading diagonal. I didn't have a book. One second, I will yeah, if I have that book immediately, yeah, I will show you here itself, because it's the social media and very powerful, and if I get something tell wrong, it will be responsible for me. That is why I have written that also. Yeah, open this. One second, be patient. So I didn't get ready for this video, so immediately if I get a time, that is why I need to do that. Okay, one second. I think I didn't get here in this book. I'm having one more book, I think so. I think in that I'm having that. One second, I will just check. Yeah, I think I'm having one more book. One second. Okay, anyway, I need to go inside of things. So I will, if I having the screenshot, I will paste in that description also, because it will take more time to show everything. So for me, it's a leading diagonal of wave 1 or A. So now, so we come to this. This part is over now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I will delete all those things again. So as of now, this is wave 1 or A. Wave 1 or A. After that, here we will move on to the weekly chart. So here also it's a three-way structures only. Again, it is not a 5-way structure. It is a 3-way structure. If you go to the daily also, you may find this here. It's a 3-way structure, A, B, and C. So here also we are getting the three-way structures everywhere. And if you saw this, just go for this, it's looking like a triangle. It never make a higher high and never didn't make a lower low. So that means this ABC is a in a zigzag pattern, and this is the B. We can make it this as a blue color, and this is a B and C. So this is the C wave. So once the C wave got ended, we need only another A, B, and C. Right? If it breaks this low, so here it did already. So that means still we are in the corrective part, because if one simple correction, see, I will show you here. If the one simple correction is A, B, C is got over, this is the 5-way structure. So if we make it this as a 1, so this as a B, C is a B is got already over. So C contains a 5-way structure, and 5-way is an impulsive wave. Mind that 5-way is the impulsive wave. So how you draw the 5 ways and go through for the video: wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. So wave 1, this is the start of the wave 1. Wave 2 cannot overlap this wave 1. That is not allowed. So here it already went down and it's already broken this. So that means what we are doing here is it is in still the correction. So that means the one simple correction A, B, C is got already over. Now we are in the complex correction pattern and we are in the connecting wave. So what is meant by the connecting wave? So once the A, B, and C is got completed, and if it is still bearish, so we may get another ABC as a connecting wave. After that, one more A, B, and C. So this is called as WXY pattern. So like that. Now here I will just remove this. One second. Yeah, I will now remove this. So now what we learn? Okay, one A, B, C. So this is a zigzag pattern, it's got completed. So now it is a W. So after this, what is doing here? So now this is here another A. So this is a connecting wave. So again it's did a three-way structure. So again this could be a B and C. So this is the end of the X wave. So here this is the connecting wave. So once that connecting wave is got completed, what we have to do is just roughly we can draw one line for just this is a channel, and I have explained that in that video of educational series. You just clone this, place it here in the top of the here. Okay, see, you no need to draw the line, just you need to, then only the alignment will be perfect. Just to keep this perfectly, we are getting that rejection. So now this is the A, this is the B, so the whole thing becomes A. One second. Yeah. So this is the A. So we are in the B wave. This is the B wave. So C, we need a five-way structure to break this low. So this is our roughly chart. So what we do is we need to be in sell side. So this is the invalidation point. This is the invalidation point. We need to be in sell side for the target to break this 1.03430, I think so. Yes, 340. So this is the target. So how it will come for that Y wave? So this is a ABC is a W. So we are the connecting wave. So A is completed, B is there, and C we need to be an. So what kind of wave could come? C means it's a five-way structure. So it could be an ending diagonal also. So how I did this one? So here we need to go for the daily. So once this WX is completed, we need a ABC, that three-way structure. So whether it is in three-way structure, and this is also we need a three-way structure. So because this is a invalidation point, exactly it got rejected within this zone. So now it's looking like a diagonal pattern here. So how I did this one? See, this ABC is a wave 1, ABC is a wave 2. So the whole thing becomes a third. So this is the fourth, and this is the fifth. So this one, it's perfectly did like this in the diagonal formation. It's a ABC as a 1, ABC is a 2. Okay, we will do that. 1, and we will make it as a red color. So this is a 2. So this is the third, and this is the fourth. In the diagonal pattern, 4 and 1 can overlap. You try to understand, and I have already did the part. So you go for that, and we need to correlate everything what we learned. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the A. So for that A, we are in that B. So how it here it went. So here also this is the A. So this is the B in a triangle. So A, B, C, D, E here, and C got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So A, B, and C. So this is the B wave is completed. So whether we didn't know what kind of B will do here, because if it is a more consolidation, what it will do? So whether the B wave is ended or still alive, how we can check that? So we need to watch for this wave formation here. So why I'm saying this B wave is still alive? Once we completed this A, B, C, we are keep on saying that okay, B is completed and this is the invalidation point, so we are on that C wave. So why I'm keep on saying whether the B is in correction still, how it is possible? For example, I will show you that this is the A, so this is the B, and C, we need a five-way structure, so it is not yet broken the low, so that C wave is now going to make a five-way structure, right? So after that, say whether it could make a deeper also, like this, and after that one more fourth and five. So how here A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. This is the A, this is the B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it didn't break this low. Again, if it bounce, how you can know whether it is still the B way is alive? Because what we thinking here is the B is ended and we need a C of five-way structures to break this. So this is W, this is the X, this is the A, and this is the B, and C we need to break this. But again, if it is bounce means, how you could label this? And you will again get confused. So no, this is Elliott wave is a wrong one. This is not that right strategy. It's not like that. You have to think lot of possibilities. It's the chess game. So what you think market won't give, it won't give the same pattern. You have to find the what the market is doing, what the market is giving. So if it is that did like this, easily this is a triangle for the B wave. For example, I'm showing, right? So this is A, B, C, D, and E. After this, this is the B is completed. After that, one more C is possible. So then, until then, this is the B. So A, B, and C. It won't come immediately, but we have to take risk here. What kind of waveform? Expecting the C wave, we need to trade this one. But expecting this triangle, you no need to miss this trade. It can come. That is why I keep on watching this wave formation. If the five-way structure is got completed, you need to exit your position, or at least you can remove the partial profit of positions to make a profit. You just book the profit, because what kind of wave formation it is doing, we can't here see. These are the possibilities what I'm trying to explain. So this is A. Whether the B is ended, simply if it is a C wave, it will break this and we will book the profit and we can exit, and we will be in buy side after this, because we already did that analysis. For this is a W, this is a connecting wave X, A, B, C. Once if it comes to reach that 0.9, we need to be in buy side, right? So what kind of wave formation it is going to do, we can expect and we can make a trade plan. But according to the trade plan, we can't expect this triangle. We can expect, okay, A is finished, B is completed, and it could make a C wave to the break this. That is our target, but it will reach the destination. But what kind of roadblocks it is going to make, that we can't expect, but we can predict, like how I did. So this A is completed, so B is yet to make, and one more is also there, right? So these are all the things you need to think the possibilities. So this is why how I am doing this analysis for the Euro USD. So my positional target. Okay, so now I will show you that one more Euro USD what I did in that FXCM, right? So now, yes, it's already there. See, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a shorter term. Now it's a 4 hours. Now I'm looking for this kind of wave pattern. So according to this, what we need to do is, if you want, you can make an intraday or a 2 days or some shorter term, but I will be a positional trader. I am a swing trader, so I will look only for sell this pair again. So first resistance zone, second resistance zone. So this is the AR1 and this is the BR2, because if we make it this as a X or B, in the previous what I did. So according to that I'm going for this. So now as per that, what our analysis in the IDC, it will break this low. That is our target. So we need to look for the things, and we need to be in buy side with the stop loss of this. If it gets back above this, the whole count will be invalid. So how it will be, that is the next part. If I see, I having the alternative count, if I did here, and you will get in confused. So no need to do that. Just we will stick to this and we will end this Euro USD. So now GBP USD, the same in IDC. So this also I already did my analysis. So now I'm going to erase all those things. For you, I am just deleting everything, because again I need to do all those things, right? So let's go. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is an expanded fifth wave. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is an expanded fifth wave. After that, this is the A, this is the B and C. So this is the A, this is the B and C, means we need to mark this as a A. So now I delete all those things. You can understand this. This is a A. We can make it as blue. And after that, what we are seeing here is another three-way structure. See, just you need to draw this. That's it. You don't need to, if you go through and you need to practice this to get through in this, and then only you can to know so what kind of wave formation it is doing here. Then only you can label the shorter term time. But how I'm analyzing this as a monthly, ABC is a done A. So here it's a three-way structure. So ABC is a B is dead. And here it's looking like, I will show you this one. It's looking like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So this is the A, this is the B, and this is the C. So this is the W, and this is the A, this is the B and C. So here it's A, this is the B and C. It's everything. It is in WW formation only, and this is the thing. It's A, B and C. So I will just remove this. It's looking like three-way structure. So how we have to do is in a smaller time frame. This, whether this is in WXY formation, or if this is the A, this is the B, means C contains of five-way structure. We need to label it as a five-way structure only. So what this is looking like a five-way structure. Now this could be a again WXY also. So here also again this is a three-way structure. It's everything. It is in three-way structure. So just you delete all those things now. So now you can understand this is a B and C. Or if you go through that weekly chart, it could be again W, X, A, B, C, and this is the Y also. So now we need to mark this as a and this is a B and C. So C contains a five-way structure only, right? You know very well about that. So what are that five-way structure? It is looking like a five-way structure. 1, so 2, 3, 4 and 5. But it is very easy to do that in that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if you look all those things in that weekly chart, look at this. This is the A, this is the B, this is the C. So it's, see, C contains a five-way structure, but it is doing a three-way structure. So if it is doing the three-way structures, and how it looks like this is looks like a wedge formation. So what is a wedge formation properties? What are the thing? It's only in ending diagonal it could make a wedge formation. So this is making C will be a ending diagonal, right? C or the wave 5. So as per this is the wave 1, and each and every what I have explained in that Euro USD, each and every wave got a ABC. So here also this is A, B and C. So now we are making this as a wave 2. So this is also A, B and C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you look in the daily also, here that wedge formation it's doing here. So what it is, same thing, now it is in the bigger picture. One second, I will show you that. See the same pattern doing here. So 1, 2, now the 3 is got completed, and the fourth wave, see, we need this kind of structure. See, this is the A, this is the B and this is the C. So here also this is the A, this is the B and this is the C, or this could be W, X, A, B, C, Y, whatever you can calculate this. Now this has got a three-way structure, and this is the impulsive wave, three-way structure, impulsive wave, we need a three-way structure, but here it is failed to make the three-way structure. Just it did one like this, and this kind of structure it is done here. So that means what it is doing here, this is making a irregular flat formation in the wave 4. I think you can catch me. See, this A, B and C, here it did only, see, we can calculate and we can make a wrong count also. This could be a 4 and A, B, C could be a 5, but that is not a fine, and because we need a three-way structure. So this is the A, this is the B and this is the C. See, for example, I'm showing this as a C, but if you go through in the daily, you will get this is a W, this is the X, A, B and C. So this is the fourth wave and it is still ahead, or it is going to make a one more high and then it may fall also. So as of now, I already shared my GBP USD in the weekly analysis. So I think, yeah, I will show you that GBP USD here. Okay, 1 second. I will save this. Okay, see here. In the 4-hour chart, I did a complete analysis. This is the A, this is the B in a running flat. So C contains of 5-way structures 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 is also in ending diagonal pattern here. So that means this as a X wave, what I show in IDC. So now this is a W, this is the X, A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this is the end of the fourth wave. So if we, one more high is also possible. See, I'm saying if there is a chances for making one more high. If it did like this, for example, I'm showing it could be the end of the fourth wave here also, or the fourth wave of intermediate this. If it is in a expanded flat, it could make a one more high also. If it breaks this, this is the A, this is the A, B, C, B and C means this is an expanded flat. So if it didn't break the high so far, so I called it as now as a running flat. So if it fell from here to make a fifth wave and a three-way structure, so three-way structure we need a diagonal pattern to make a one more low to break this. So this is my analysis for GBP USD. This is how I will trade. So A, B and C means one simple. So that means we need to break this low also. Okay, so once this is completed here, right? So this is the A, so 1, this is the 2, so we are third is completed, we are in the fourth wave, and one more fifth wave is yet to complete. But see, I'm making a question mark, but I will just hide all those things. If market didn't break this low, okay, it did just only this high, and again if it bounced, so what you will think? If it bounced here, that means still we are in that B wave, we are not at this B wave, it's not yet completed. If it didn't break this low, if it is again, if it break this corona drop and again if it bounced, this will be again the bigger consolidation, and the bigger B is still on. So that means it could make a triangle. See, this is the A, this is the B, and this is the C. After this one, if it didn't break this low, this all becomes W, X, Y, X, Z. So this is a 5-wave corrective pattern. So this becomes another A, B, C, D, and E. So still we are in the consolidation. The B wave is not yet over. See, these are all how we need to think the possibilities. This what how I will do the analysis. So let's check. I think this is 36 minutes gone. So I think we can finish for this episode as a part 1 in that. Sorry, it's not a part 1. It's a part 11. The top to bottom analysis. We can finish here. And I think we will make a 1 more 2 or 3 videos in this top to bottom analysis. We can go for that. I'm eager to teach you without paying me, because I got a free and I'm giving it for free. No need to pay for anything. If you are not understanding, but lot of people's messaging to teach me, but they didn't know the basic also. How I can do that? Because the teaching Elliott Wave took more time to understand for you, and it will more expenses for you also, because the time what I spending to you, I need to take. Either the market has to give, otherwise you have to give. That is why no need to pay for me. I'm doing it for free in each the part 10 part I have already given. So there is no magic and there is nothing holy grail and crystal ball here in this financial market. Everything it is open. It's an open market. It's a global market. Like that, you have to try hard, practice more in front of the system. You have to give more screen time. Then only you will catch this kind of wave patterns, and you will get a more idea to earn consistent profit. So this is how I think you hope enjoyed this video of 2 scripts what I did, and later onwards we will move on to the AUD, NUD, like that, all the positional chart from the monthly, weekly, and then you need to look for the daily, everything you need to look. So in that I will this is the just starting. That is why I didn't go depth here. In that USD JPY and the USD CHF, that one pair will took more time. So this is not an easy one to analyze the market. It's a tough, but it is not an impossible to do that using Elliott wave theory. If you are going deep in the Elliott wave theory, if you master it in one strategy, not only in the Elliott waves, lot of strategies having depth, you need to go through that. Don't do and this strategy it won't suit, and the cycle of dooming, it won't give you anything. Just you are wasting your time. So my quote is the same thing: master it in one and go deep, you can achieve your goal. So hope you enjoy. So we will see you in the next part for that top to bottom analysis. So have a nice day. We will see you in the next video. Have a nice day.